Okay, this is IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. In speaking part 1, don't give long answers, don't give irrelevant answers, just give direct answers to the point. So let's make a start. Do you listen to music?
Yes, I often listen music because during my free time, it give me a
It gives me.
it gives me a relief from all hectic efforts of my hectic
Hectic routine
routines
of
of
my
my
everyday life.
everyday life, and
Okay, that's good. So don't use and quite a lot. At the
no.
end, you need to conclude your answer. Now, let's go on. What type of music do you like?
Usually, I like old Indian songs. They are very informative, and us a they give us a
Okay,
sorry,
you need to
you,
give full answer. Try,
yeah.
and you know it's all in your control. Whatever you want to say in your answer, it is in your control. So don't think about something which is not clear in your mind. Talk about things clearly. Now let's go on. When do you listen to music? In the morning, evening, night, afternoon? When do you listen to music?
I mostly listen to the music usually at my bedtime when I at that because at that time I was much exhausted
I
because of
feel
I feel
exhausted.
exhausted because of the hectic routine of my all day, and listening music gives me a relief from all
Okay, that's
these.
good. So just you need to organize your answer, and in the end, there should be a conclusion. All right, let's go on. I'll ask you some questions. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I reading books just related to my subjects. I have no interest to read extra books, so I just concentrate on my subject related books, and mostly I like to do mathematics practice, and I like to teach and practice
Okay. How
mathematics.
often do you buy books?
I often buy books related to my degree, which I choose. I do MBA, then I just purchase books, mathematics, and I
Okay, my
other
question is how
writers.
often? How often means frequency. Like, do you buy books once a month, or you buy books every week, or you buy books once a year? So, how often means frequency. Okay, now let's go on. Why don't children like to read books these days?
I think children don't like read books because of
Children don't like to read books because.
social media, like use mobiles, and they concentrate on mobiles, searching mobiles through Google, YouTube. That's why they don't want to purchase books,
Okay, they don't want to read books. My
read books.
question was about reading
Okay,
books.
okay,
So
read books.
first you need to focus the question and your answer should be according to the question.
Okay,
And second, practice these topics. You'll be fine, right? Thank you.
thank you, sir.